Hey guys, it's Alik from NatureWithAlik over here. The rainy day in the beautiful dragon fruit orchard. As you can see, it's been raining for 3 days. I'm so happy that we managed to complete the weed barrier. I'm walking right now, and it's very nice and soft walk. I knew it's gonna be very muddy, like you can see over here at my neighbor's field. It's completely everything covered by puddles of water, and it's very muddy. It's gonna take probably for many days like this situation, but my place is nice and it's water, it drains. I don't see any puddles. It's nice and probably 1 degree slope of the hill over here, and the water goes down. All the plants are happy and getting lots of water right now, very fresh. I'm just gonna harvest a few Enigma fruit for the customers who order like lots of varieties. I still see over here like Delight on the side, and I have happily see lots of the 1 pound, pound and a half, pound and a quarter size of the Enigma fruit. So that's gonna go to clients in North Carolina, California, and I still have more over here. That's going to be 1 fruit per box, whatever's multi-varieties options. I still have ability to ship around the United States. Okay, and over here you can see George's White and George's Red. Still a few, not many. Looking forward to see you guys at my grand opening event on Sunday. November 23rd, I believe so, yeah, at 10 o'clock in the morning. So next Sunday, definitely from 10 to 2 p.m. we'll be having good time, celebrate, people walk around, introduced to a dragon fruit. So that would be nice to see all of you, and we'll learn how to build the trellises, and as well as the little bit educate about the dragon fruit. And you can see the yellow palora have a little flower bud, so which means the fruit is going to be probably in the springtime. And some of the trichia still have little fruit growing over here. So it's going to be fun. It's end of the year. Let's celebrate. It's going to be appreciation day. Really appreciate all you guys' support and being with me for so many years, and help me during this big transition. I believe this is the biggest relocation of dragon fruit in the world. So and I'm gonna harvest over here. I got couple of Robles red fruit that's I'm very happy to add to the collection of the multi-variety boxes to my customers, and it's gonna be lots of fun. Very happy with this weed barrier, otherwise it would be completely mess. I will not be able to move around. And after this one, it's gonna dry and it's gonna pack much better. So we'll have ability to maintain this orchard, walk around, and build the passion fruit fence around, and we'll definitely be able to ship very soon the passion fruit. Okay, guys. So here we go, and here's the Mr. Wu. I'm so happy. See, I got lots to share with you guys. Okay, so thank you so much. Looking forward to see you. Oh my gosh, look at this owl with the protecting the Verne fruit over here on the top. Okay, so peace, love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Looking forward. Please text me for if you need location, if you need direction. Oh my goodness, I'm just turning around. There's more and more fruit around. Please text me. It's Alik. 323 area code 547-1273. Happy 3rd day of the rain, and looking forward for sunny days after this one. Thanks you guys. Okay, stay in touch. Bye.